My name's Melanie Dunn, and I teach special education resource math, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students at O'Banion Middle School. Here in the Google Meet, the digital learning strategy that I used most efficiently and effectively on a day-to-day basis would be this feature here. It's the breakout room setting. Okay. Within this setting here, I'll move in closer. Within this setting, I'm able to structure my breakouts and scaffold my instruction where I can work with students at all levels. I can group students together by ability level. I can talk with students one-on-one, and we can discuss any kind of data feedback, such as map testing, math inventory programs, or I can make sure that they understand the day's instructions. So with students in a resource setting, this one-on-one ability to be able to meet with the students that are virtual, not face-to-face, has definitely impacted my instruction on a positive basis this year, dealing with virtual and face-to-face students.